pulling an all-nighter.
With me.
Well guys, I am down here at the beach. Oh, look at this wave coming. Whoosh! Oh, there's a big one. Let me get down to it. Not really big. You can't get me, you can't get me. Big one. Big one. Oh, that one was bigger. I think the tide's coming in. Oh, there's a big one coming. Running through water, running through water. Oh shit. Biggie. Yeah, guys, so holy shit! Jeez, that one was big. So yeah, guys, I hope you like this mini vlog. It's about 10 minutes. Staying up all night tonight. Summer 2012. And hope you guys like this vlog. See you in the next clip. Maybe it's water. Every day I'm shuffling, boop 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 a doop a doop. Water can't get me. Every day I'm shuffling. See what? Oh, I'm gonna wait for this big one. Hey guys, I know I look messed up, but I know it's 1:30 in the morning, and AGS Substacking is over there prank calling people, and I'm just over here talking to my friends, playing solitaire, downloading pictures, doing a whole bunch of stuff, and listening to that conversation right over there. 1:30, pulling it all nighter. I'm sleeping on the couch, he's sleeping right there, and I'm playing solitaire. Yeah. I'm the boss. Okay, it's 2:30. Good night. Just kidding. It's still 1:30.
What street is it on? Mercy, I don't know. I found 9 locations. When you hear the one you want, just say it. Broadway, Fulton Street.